Jaden come out and a pitch for Marvin because as God be my witness, we never know say Marvin and Jaden have nothing. Why Jaden must always come to the forefront with people name? Why Jaden must always come to the forefront with people name? And that me can't understand. Some of them boy is not man, them a batty man. Jaden is a big dirty batty boy. Jaden is a batty man. And when me tell you him is a batty man, I mean batty man. Jaden is a batty boy. Remember Trump and dash where everybody with a bad reputation and a green card. Sky, take a trip now. Take a trip and try come back. Take a trip and try come back, Sky. Show we how great you be. Show we how powerful you be, Sky. Take a trip and try come back. All of una talk, I'm glad my hurt on the feelings. Did you think me not glad? Did you think when you meet talk, me I look for back at you? Come on, man. Me no only you know sister, me not take nobody in my box and I try to state a defense. Me talk when me have to talk on the argument done on any girl slide for my argument, call it banana peel. Move your nastiness and go and go look for your child where your father give you. Eh? Go and go look for that. Cause you wanna keep the DNA right in the family. Me suppose to sit down one place and every day you get up and walk and look, you can't get none. Hush. I'm supposed to sit down one place. I never know my sitting on earth. That simply means I'm a batty good. Anyway, I sit down, I can't go back there. Because I'm a fly graveyard. Oh, I'm a fly graveyard. So you have to say out of your mouth. I'm supposed to sit down anyway. Batty good and firm. I not leak, I not drip, and I can't wear white dress. After you go up on TikTok live and then refuse you. Mada tired of you. You not have no friends, Sky. Nobody not like you. Nobody not power with the lizard. Nobody not power with the lizard. Move your nastiness and go. And Shebada, forget lock up, try it. Just try it. Show me emotion. Sha-la-la-la-la. Try it now. I mean, I know when I come with a done self-bout. When a little bit and duns. Go find your son where you and him share the same DNA based on daddy. Oh. You and him have the same blood type based on daddy. Eh? Now come at that. Don't talk come off attack and if Rosalie come back to me again with the same argument and the same way me go about her daughter or even more. Just so you know. Just so you know. So if she tell me to suck her daughter again, me go do it again. Just so you know. I just simple as that. I just simple as that. No hard feeling. No hard feeling. So when she just tell me the things that I'm just sit down so. And say, oh my, go suck your mother, Sky. A matter of fact, go suck the boy grandfather, which is his daddy. Oh. With a little bit and curse. With a little bit and trauma and dramatize. When a little bit and curse, when a little bit and curse, and one come and go like on a portion and mad. You go find your son, you abandon the little boy, you eat him, because every time you see him, you see your father. Every time you see him, you see your father. So we have to say out of your mouth. Make a reason because of the season. You come and buy out argument. You see you and Macy Gray. Me I tell you something, I'm missing enough for open for your mouth and talking because I better she tried doing for your last days. Missing enough for open for your mouth and talk, but I would never because a child may say a whole heap of young boy you take out a family album. A whole heap of young boy you take out a family life. So you don't know qualms to talk. A whole heap of boy you make sit down in a casino while you drink and a play. A whole heap of boy you give your car key to. A whole heap of baby because you don't like underage. When I like underage. So when you come attack and I try to be activist and advocate, no bother with it. Check your past, Macy. Check your past. That's why the man tell you say the same thing the little girl had do to her mother when she reach 15, she gonna do it to you too. No bother come about me. When a little bit and I look likes, views and tappings. Go on man. Go on man on a little bit and I look all of them something there. When you come on the internet to pay bills. When you come, that's why Trump are go now warm time. I say I can't wait for Trump find someone, you know. Yeah, overlook me. You can't wait for Trump find someone because on a little bit and on the internet and broke and hungry. Me not ask when ISIS coming that I want your son. Yeah. Me talk when I have to talk. After me not afraid of Rosalie, me see if remember say I pay him for keep for shut for him out. Me see if remember say the $500 not done yet. I pay you for keep your mouth shut. Because you are the first one come up and say you know all about Akeem too. You remember you forget. Me see come like she forget. Me see come like she no remember. And she the first one jump up and say she know enough things about Akeem. And Akeem a Batman and from me get the 5 bills you quiet. Me don't know what kind of duct tape them put out of over your mouth, me say, but tear it off, you're in a barrel. Oh, me don't know what kind of duct tape them seal your mouth with. Yeah, I share the first one. I share the first one. Jump up and say, me do active, daughters, me do active, I be do the active about it, and I should get the 5 bills, she don't remember what she said. Go on, man. I'm a little bit hypocritical. What I say? Nobody can buy me out, you know? No boy can buy me out. No boy. The only thing them can use and buy me out of them old. No boy. So I don't know all of a sudden now, I would not curse Shanta. You not have a curse Shanta, but remember your past, how much little boy you take up our mind. How much little boy you take out a khaki and graduate them before time. You not have a curse Shanta. Nobody never asks if a curse Shanta when it's a paid program, when you get the money to keep quiet. Eh? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Me don't hold on the swing attack and me just a pop big laugh. Cause me I say watch money making. Me I say watch money making. Then Sky the Go-Go Club now pay you. You mad? You mad? You mad? How them for chat to me? Eh? Lani, how them for chat to me? The whole of them are germs, you know. Enough of them when you say them are germs and them not have no morals. It a kill them. It kill them. Now what this Sky say, she a pay a boy $1,000 and $2,000 for send video with me and my grand. Sky, me not you. Me not porn star. Me not porn star. Me not Ivani where I grind and turn on camera. Me not like see my sweat and my sex. Me not like see it. Eh? Where me go keep it for? Me could do have it as memory. Everything store, yes, so Sky. Yes, so everything store. Cause the sex was good. And the sweat was great. And all we can do is reminisce on it. And that we not like revisit it. Wonder man, I don't know where you come out of your attack. You look some attention because your platform gone right down from liar drop you. The platform gone right down. Right down. From liar turn you over, you's a nobody. Remember you did create a fake Petergate too, you know. And run with the Petergate, you know, and Jabas, you know. Remember, you know, and you know, realize that your father grind you and breed you, and you eat all the child. Move the man, it was a molestation, it was consent come from you because you like body. To fix your trial and crosses, any other, the mother bring the daughter to me, same treatment, same patient. Me have an antidote right in my pocket. Anyhow she bring her daughter to me again, same treatment. Do you think say me fear enough for? Look for me good, you think me fear enough for? Tell me the truth. Liar drop Sky. Liar drop Sky. Long time. Sky is nothing but a dirty batty man. Liar drop Sky. Look how long liar turn over Sky on her back. Yeah, when Lizard up on them back, them helpless. Look at Sky. And she a come out. And them to lock him up. Come at me and you walk going to the public so I can see a Sky. Cause I don't know how you hide under your green card cause Trump not ramp. Trump not playing. So come at me and you go to work because you go like you have a good reputation from you up here. Remember me know the rules and the laws and the regulations. So come at me and you walk go outside. And like how me I talk about your father, come at me you got the station. Yeah, come at me I got me. Africa 2.0, come at me you got the station Sky. And that if I talk about go work out your behavior over foreign, go look at work. So when I see them can pass you. Go clean up your past, germs. Go clean up your past. Sandy Warpen, go and clean up your past. Any old Rosalie bring a child back to me, same treatment. Remember me not look friend from no. Remember I wanna have a back span on the live and everybody have to jump up in it and share the same opinion as Uno. Remember me not the pandemic game there. My boss it and clap it and run it. Remember some is there. So Sky when you come good. Come excellent, come great. When you come great. Oh, me you not talk, me just a laugh off of the whole of no. Yeah? Me just a laugh off of the whole of no, me you not talk. And if I lock him up away, me say, Boshanta, try it. Try it. Huh? Just try it. Wanna push it now? Huh? Just push it. And that me want to know though. Just push like when I give birth. I never know say it hurt or not hurt or so. Sky when me say it bring back trauma. Oh, you should have skin out in front of your father if you didn't know say it gonna bring back trauma. You should never skin out in front of your father. So come on me now, Sky. Since me said this about you. Come on me. I pay dunce back upon the app. That's why I'm gonna take some of them in my box. I pay dunce back. I pay dunce back. Me and them can't reason. Me say all the man they pan Mada like this. They say we need a Shebada. We need a Shebada because Shebada make the little people them from day one where let them a big woman know them stats and know where them are going to enter into the world and get. Yeah. So you sling on the $500 Mada with your heavy tongue and your big lip and the daughters and daughters and daughters. Me tired of one of the life from bed. Me tired of one of the life from bed. Wanna eat, wanna shit and shit wanna eat. Me tired of one of the life from bed. So we not talk, me not talk with hypocrisy in my mouth, and nobody can buy me out. Or you know want hear with the man and say, but I would not say you would not class a little child mother, you know remember your days where you come from. You have like a salvation you walk with on the internet. Eh? You know remember your days where you come from. Remember you a girl and a boy, you know, when you have no respect for nobody. Remember you walk and fight over baby cocky. Remember you and Sydney Star are the same thing. Remember no walk and fight over everybody. Remember you have the little boy them in a casino from very early. Very early. So I don't know how some man come and walk like on a foot bottom clean. No, oh now go on so. When she be serious, I have to laugh. I know I'm not serious. True, I'm not serious. You know? We just remind them with attitude. Yeah. But you just have to remind them sometimes because them are going to let them a portion of people. And the whole of them are dog shit. All of them are dog shit. Oh, remember thieving money make Mada go to prison for umpteen years. Thieving money make Mada go to prison for umpteen years. Mada never care about the old, so how she gonna care about the young? Go on a man and you see her take you up on the bed with the dog, Mada. Me sure no say you not treat Shanta, you not treat the dog like how Rosalie treat Shanta. You not treat your dog like how Rosalie treat Shanta. And that's a dog. That's a dog. So when you can see little inner you where you put out for your dog, in a Rosalie, then you talk to my mother. You're in a position to sit down on the bed and reason with me. I wonder if your body a drip or your bedridden. I just wonder. I don't know enough to come about me. I don't know enough to come about me because when I talk, I'm not tobacco. When I talk, I'm not tobacco. I say what I have to say, I mean what I say. Oh. So I must think I'm going to change my mouth. Eh? You know, things that I'm going to change my mouth and say, yeah, and the dog we are talking about, you play with your dog friendly, you treat your dog like he's your son. No, you treat your dog like he's your son or your daughter. And you now see the reflection then in Rosalie as a mother. Why you open your mouth for mother? Why you never jump over the argument and go and about your business? That's a dog. That's a dog you're taking care of. Martina one thing though, you're going to run competition with Roxanne, you know. Yeah. I'm not come Bomaguana. Then come here on a sidebar from them two dog shit here. Oh, it look like Lami and Rosalie have the same attitude, so. You know, Long Lami, I say, where you 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 say, the whole of the life, where you say. Let me tell you this, Lami. If Marvin want to borrow 20 grand from you and no one get back, you should have called that a loss because I input you on the map. Him alone did willing to walk with the garbage, them a see you. So nobody come about that. And I tell you this every single day. You see, Jaden have a dirty spirit to walk with. It's Jaden cause Lami, them fair argue now. Lami and Marvin. Jaden, that boy have a dirty spirit. And I bet him the one side and I look on him creation. I bet you any money him stand up one side and I look on him dirty creation and I say, I tell you, I say them have, Jaden have a Rosalie spirit walking with, but none of you believe me, not one of you believe me. Not one of you believe me. Me not ask you no. Not one of you believe me. People like them, they stay far from them. You cut them off in a jiffy. People like them there. I tell you but you don't listen. I don't know but you know what I talk. Call it what I want. Yeah, you know what I talk. Yeah. Him is a devil. Him is a devil and a demon. Jaden, where you see there, is a devil and a demon. And if you don't call out the devil and the demon, trust and believe in a problem. He's a dirty boy. He's a dirty, dirty boy. Yeah, try. It's not lie. It's a dirty, dirty boy. Marvin, you don't know Marvin from nowhere, so I don't know how Marvin for this or Marvin for that. You're not in a position to talk about Marvin Jaden. You don't know, because you always a project yourself on other people. You are a wicked soul. You're a wicked soul. Yeah? People for start move up Jaden and tell him the truth. People for start run him and tell him the truth. He's very demonic. He's very, them so discard. Them so discard. I saw Jaden stay. Just like how Rosalie cannot come on the internet without being negative. Yeah? Him so discard. Him not mend things. Him not set peace. The scripture said, blessed are the peacemakers. Him is not a peacemaker. I'm telling you, said that little boy there, he's so, at the devil ass whip. Yeah? At the devil ass whip. He's a, me don't know how to hold up demonic stuff, so you know. Me don't know how to ramp with yourself, so. Me don't know how to play with your spirit, so. Me don't know how to sit down and do it. I don't know. On a gifted though, I could have never do that to myself. I wouldn't want to be friends with Jaden to me and him so much as in a one room. You're mad? That boy you walk with host a demon. Of course he's the devil's advocate. That boy there walk with a host of demon. A host of demons. And then them want to keep things. And them want to keep things in and people come. And people support them. It's called sacrifice. Pay your dues. Pay your dues. Thank you very much, my baby. It name pay your dues, Alicia. Sacrifice. Nobody never sit down on the app and draw me into them sacrificial act. I say me sit down and watch a little boy text it from Marvin. Marvin we can't even talk. Marvin we can't even talk. Marvin we don't do the internet nothing. I know Lami she come out like her big stinking sister. Lami she come out like her big stink. That's why you see, let me tell you this. Sometimes some persons must be left in the garbage pan. Sometimes you see some people are batter with life. It's a reason why them are batter so long. It's a reason why the whole family of them cursed away there. Some people must be left alone. Let me reach the point where she talk about say, But so come off of this and come and get no gift. He's just like your dirty sister. He's just like your dirty, nasty, stinking sister. Come in and know own a friend the people and then show them underneath the bus. It better me not friend nobody if me know me go finger underneath the bus. Now come friend me. Come friend me because I'm the bus driver. Come and friend me. It better me not friend nobody. Me don't know how to sit down and support all of them something here. To Jaden go and process evil and then come and exude it on the app and leave it so. And then laugh. With him dirty mouth. Him go and him process evil. You can imagine how it burn him when him can't come over my district. It burn him, you know. When him can't get up one morning and say, dirty, Shebada, dirty. And them tell them they're going for you. Oh, with your tree sheet. And them tell them they're going for you and your tree sheet. You never know. I just sit down for your bed with a tree sheet, you see. And the ring light. And them tell them they're going for you. Oh. I mean, me not judge putting on clothes pan dirty body. And they're going for you. You're that frightened. Him is a little demon. Demon. Them surfing a negativity. And when I tell you, I say, him and Rosalie has the same attitude. When him come back and talk about, see what Bonnie you through me and Rosalie are friend. Oh, that for her. Me and Rosalie just said, me and you did that try to bring her down. I can't remember when that, but she said it. Eh? So how me for envy you for talk to Rosalie when you walk with that DNA in your belly? Remember you should spit in a juice and give and you drink it. You could even tell the difference. Because you don't know no better. Remember you drink the whole of between Rosalie teeth and her white tongue plus her bad throat. So how me could I envy you? Remember no dog shit, you know? Then me can't envy you, no? Jaden a little bit heavy. Heavy. He's a heavy demon. Him just sit down and saw this card and say, alright, me gonna mash up you and you, and me gonna mash up Big Tom and Harry, me gonna mash up Larry and Sally. I saw him do it. I saw him do it. That's why I have to run him out from my program. Can you now come over here about and so block. Every time you send me a request, but busy. Out to order, all of them do walk around and look for who have the enough views and send them a request. That's all of the walk on who have the enough views. Right in the light they're going at. Wow, go on. You're good. Me there. And then you add the people them enemy. Jaden go suck your mother where you can't find. Don't name out your mother where you can't find Jaden. Oh. Me say any day they wake up and them life not have no body. Them a go drop down dead. Them a go drop down dead any day them wake up and them life not have nobody. You go see them. That's all him do. You and Marvin to tell Lami. And Lami say you is a dog shit. You is a dog shit and no use to nothing, girl. You is a dog shit. Cause this is not your affair. This is not your fight. You is a dog shit, Lami. This is not your fight. When Marvin do for you, Marvin put him image on the line for walk with a dog shit like you. And that Marvin to put him image on the line. And you go like you wasn't a call girl. You go like you wasn't a 9-night. You were a setup. You were a setup. Are you bargaining for the part because you want recognition? Are you bargaining for the part? And you come and talk about, what you say? Well, all I know you can't understand what him say. Eh? Him say, you're not for guani. Even if him borrow 20 grand from you, you shouldn't want it back because the things them him do for you. Which is fair. The boy put him image on the line for walk with a germs bag like you. The boy put him image on the line. Yeah. The boy put him image on the line for walk with a germs bag like you, a dog deedy like you. And that him do. So me can't understand how you not know, how you not hear, how you not understand. Eh? But you and your sister is the same thing. When you're ungrateful. When you're an ungrateful set of drunk crow. You and your sister is an ungrateful set of drunk crow. Yeah? I don't know how easy does it touch lamp and light sensor. The light sensor. You ain't in a position for arguing nobody on the app. You should keep your mouth quiet. This is not your fight. This is not your fight. Leave it alone. Jaden come out and a pitch for Marvin. Because as God be my witness, we never know say Marvin and Jaden have nothing. Why Jaden must always come to the forefront with people name? Why Jaden must always come to the forefront with people name? And that me can't understand. Some of them boy is not man, them a batty man. Jaden is a big dirty batty boy. Jaden is a batty man. And when me tell you him is a batty man, I mean batty man. Jaden is a batty boy. Oh. Jaden come like a big stinking girl. Him is a big dirty batty boy. When you see man behave like this, you know a Jah prayer. You know it's Jah prayer. We use woman as cover up. And them worse than them girl. Jaden worse than a big old girl. And it's so true. Me don't know if negativity is the only thing that he has to offer on the app. Now if that's the only thing you have to offer on the app, go in. Go inside. Go and have several seats. Enough of them man you don't want a girl, you know. Them just use woman as cover up in a society. Enough of them. And nobody not trouble because of civilized time. Trump has sent back everybody. Remember everybody did go cross the border with my name. Everybody where went cross the border, them use my name to immigration and say me and them did this. Some of which I don't know. Most of which I really don't know. You understand me? Them use my name. So you can't come out now. Come out wherever you are. I said this all the times. I would never attach myself to nobody on the app because me and Jesus alone come here. Me and Jesus alone gingerly walk up on the app. I would never attach myself with nobody on the app because when them talk about me can't team, say who can't team them. Me don't know how me must sit down and call myself the sister girl crew and when time me I get more attention than Jaden. Jaden go come up too cute, too sweet with something about me. Something when I real because nobody never know Jaden and Marvin have. Nobody don't know. All they can't hear. The one Marvin a fussy, you know. The one Marvin jealous of. Jaden are you jealous of Marvin because him easy upon the eye. Him easy upon the eye more than you. And you see you Daima, you see when time I talk, you know hear when I say a Daima, that's why you must always get the shit in end of the stick, you Daima. You see when I talk, you know hear when I say, and me I go on like a me grow you. When I tell you say Jaden is upset over the fact with every single thing, me don't know why you gone on live with Jaden in the first place. Me don't, Jaden don't like you, you know, for all your own. You don't know for all your own. You don't listen. You don't listen because Jaden hate Marvin because Marvin and you look good together. Jaden hate Marvin for that. Marvin should never go like him want to soften up with you. You see you Diamond, you're not here, you know. That's why I say anything with them do you pan the app here, you deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it. Enough time I talk to you and say, leave them little dirty, nasty, stinking, careless, but you don't need to justify nothing. Make them go and chat to you. You have like Jaden never run up and down in your panty yet. You have like ever use Jaden nose for tampon. Jaden never sniff out your hole yet. You make them little boy here feel qualified for you. Yeah, you make them little boy here feel, you know, move them up them and run them. Because when time them back against the wall, that's the only time them like when you talk good about them. Run them, you don't need to depend on life with them shit bag here. You might go turn against Marvin now through you are Marvin. And I just all of that about Jaden, you know, through you are Marvin. Me tell you say Jaden jealous over man. Jaden jealous over Jaden just want all man for himself. Man the more. Me say the little boy is so evil, it's not even funny. It's not even funny. Like him sit down and process who him gonna bring down today, tomorrow, next week. You know make them boy you feel good after your diamond. Run them nastiness. Tell them to come near me from back where your side where underneath the toilet. Run them. But you see anything you get off of the up your diamond, you're supposed to get it and take it. Take it with honor and call yourself private. No man, Jaden worse than she. Jaden worse than she. Jaden is worse than Shay. Shay mixed up and Jaden is evil. One thing, Shay now go provoke you if you don't deserve it. Shay now go provoke you if you're quiet. Shay now go provoke you, just get up out of the blue and provoke you. Bad to bird. Bad to bird. Yeah, cause you know we go on bird hunting. Bad to bird. Shay now go do that. Jaden just sit down. Jaden have no loyalty to nobody at all. And when me say Jaden have no loyalty, Jaden walk and chat everybody in the world. Everybody, you could have do good theme him chat you, bad theme him chat you, semi-automatic him chat you. Oh, me I tell you that is a evil little seed. Is a evil little seed. Jaden is a demon seed, and none of you believe when me talk. He's a demon seed. Remember me if I said to him, say Jaden, leave Diamond alone. Leave Diamond alone. Think Jaden like Jabas? Jaden don't rate now like Jabas, but Jabas will find out like Peter Gay. Jabas, you will find out like Peter Gay. You will find out like Peter Gay. You say figure it out. You say figure it out. You will find out one day. And I open the door, come on the internet with it because we don't want to hear it. We're going to suck on a Mada. We don't want to hear it. Suck mommy in advance. Oh, we don't want to hear it. We don't want to. Yeah? Because on the feeling and depend on one another and the hypocrisy. And that mean I like, I what the diamond did depend the live with them, you know. I what the diamond Jabas and Jaden depend the app, you know. You know, I what the diamond Jabas and Jaden depend live, you know. Why Diamond and Marvin can't depend live? Eh? Why?